Okay, so I want to present on the use of the photosensor. The use of the photosensor to indicate a signal when there is a shadow or something passing by. When something covers the sensor, the light goes off. As soon as it's removed, the light goes on. I want to show that. So I connect my white jumper wire to the GND and also to the breadboard. I connect the other jumper wires respectively. I connect GND to GND. So I'm using the green jumper wire. I'll connect that to A0. Then I use blue as the digital pin 7 as a DO. Then GND, I connect it to GND white. Then I use red 5 volts. I connect it to the VCC. Yeah. Then now I input my code where I use a serial.begin to initialize the serial. Then pin mode and all that. So let's test it and see how it works. I fixing this inside. Then now I run. So as you can see, it's turned on, it goes off, turns on, goes off, turns on, goes off, turns on, goes off, turns on, goes off. Yeah. So this is how to use a photo sensor. Then I want to use a bulb to indicate whenever there is no light present. The light goes high. Whenever there is light present, the light goes off. So I'm using a white LED over here. I connect the long part to the breadboard, the positive part, and the short part to the short pin to the negative portion. Now I want to take 2 jumper wires and I use the GND, the negative to the GND, then the positive to the long pin. Now let me write a code by changing the if statement, saying that if the state is high, digital write 8 should be high. So I run this. So I have it over here. You can see it's off. When I put my hand, indicating there's no light, it turns on, it goes off, it turns on, it goes off, it turns on, it goes off. Okay, so basically that's how we use a photo sensor and the LED bulb to indicate if there is light present or there is no light present. Thank you.